Congratulations on your purchase of Food Revolution Network's first ever physical recipe book, Real Superfoods. This is so much more than a cookbook, as you'll soon discover. In fact, it might transform your life.
Throughout this book, you'll enjoy learning about some of the top real superfoods on the planet and more than 65 of my favorite superfood recipes, along with full color photos to tantalize your brain as well as your taste buds. You'll learn easy, time-saving cooking techniques and get functional, no-nonsense tips for using each superfood in many delectable ways, from sauces to grills to sautés.
Even better, each and every Real Superfoods recipe can be made with accessible, affordable ingredients that can easily be found in your local supermarket. This book can help you adopt a healthier diet and feel your best without sacrificing time, money, or flavor.
Now, if you're the type of person who wants to keep momentum going, not just while you read a book, but for your whole life, then we have a special invitation for you. Thousands of studies tell us that food doesn't just influence how long you live, but also how alive you feel. When you make optimal choices, you can improve your memory, have more energy, enjoy deeper sleep, and feel better, lighter, and even happier.
But for most folks, the problem isn't just knowing what to do, it's doing what they know. We've seen tens of thousands of people come into our programs, get excited, get inspired, but then eventually slip back into old habits. We do not want that to happen to you.
So we've created an effective program designed to help you implement, sustain, and optimize this healthy lifestyle for life. This is about you getting results and having a wind at your back so that it gets easier and easier for you to love foods that love you back. We want you to experience ease, joy, and success with your health goals. The program we created is now our signature membership community, Whole Life Club. And right now, because you just took action to buy Real Superfoods, you can try it out for just $1.
You'll get instant access to more than 1,000 of our most beloved recipes, with new ones appearing every week. Weekly action videos, monthly action hours featuring a brilliant guest expert, a forum for your questions and answers led by our team of dietitians, nutritionists, and health coaches, and lots more. And if you want the latest insights about a specific health issue or question you might be facing, you can dig into our library of resources, which includes recipes, action videos, and expert interviews focused on topics like fighting cancer, weight loss, gut health, mental health, heart health, immune health, peak performance, sleep, and dozens of other important topics. Just scroll on down for all the details and to sign up for your 14-day trial for just $1. It could be the best dollar you'll ever spend in your life.
If you don't absolutely love it, you can easily cancel. You won't be charged again. And if you're like the vast majority of our members, you'll be thrilled and keep your membership active with a recurring charge of only $99 per year. So check it all out and sign up for your $1 trial below.
We can't wait to hear what you think of the book, and we hope to see you in Whole Life Club for many healthy, happy years to come. Let's do this.